We're for the engineers, makers, and tradespeople, the ones who keep the industry and the world working. We make the tools and equipment to give you the confidence to achieve your best. For over 40 years, we've been developing products that help people do their jobs safely and efficiently, and we're always looking for new and innovative ways to support you. We're passionate about people and what they make possible. We help inspire diverse talent who will meet the challenges of tomorrow. With Kennedy, the best tools are in your hands, giving you the confidence to not just do your job, but to grow, build, and achieve beyond limits. You can with Kennedy.